Hello everybody. I got another thrift style haul. It's kind of a small one, but before I go any further and forget, I've got a bunch of little like window shutters out in the trunk of the car, and it's dark and spooky and I don't want to go out there. And I don't know how many I got, but they're probably, some of them are 1.5 feet tall, some are like maybe 2.5 feet tall or 2 feet tall. And they were beige or white, but I figure I can use them for crafts or maybe in a window. I'd have to double them up in a window if they're tall enough, even for that. But anyway, I don't have those to show. But I got this purse, and I don't know nothing about brands. I don't know if it's a good brand or not. I gave $12.99 for it. And is that young people purses or is it old people purses? I sure do like it though. But anyway, I got this for 99 cents. I guess it's some kind of little homework tray or something, but I'll use it for doing little crafts on. And I got this for 99 cents. And I don't think that goes with that. They don't really look alike, but they're both pretty. And it's just some kind of slimy, because it slid off while it was in the store. Some kind of slimy green stuff holding it together. I'll have to get that off. And I got the duck basket. Apparently it's a Christmas basket or something, but I may paint it white. I don't know, but it was cute, and it was 99 cents. Let's see, I guess total price of other things. And well, let me get this big thing in the middle. My favorite thing. I just love that. And I guess these are picture frames too, but the back's missing. Oh, I just fell in love with that. I don't know what I'll do with it. If I put it out in my shop, I'll paint it bright, funky colors. Now, it was $3.99. But see, you can tell it looks like some things are missing off the back of the glasses, which is fine. I don't want to put pictures in it. But that is so pretty. I don't know why I love it so much, but I do. And anyway. And this could be a topper for a mannequin. 49 cents. This was that 99? I don't know if you can see. But it's just pretty. And I kind of like these little hearts and the word, but I don't like the bear. But I thought that was kind of cute. Oh, let's see how much it was. I think it was 49. Well, oh, yep, 49. And this needs a little work. I don't know if it's dirty or what, but it's a night light. It's got a switch on the front, and when you hang it, you know, the little bulb will be right here. Looks like a little chandelier. So I like that. I think it was $1.99. Yeah, I had $1.99 on that. Anyway, I got it anyway. And then this I just thought was really pretty, made out of fabric. I might put it in this room. I think it would look good in this room. Somewhere. I put everything in this room. It was 99 cents. It's got the metal mesh on the back. And this, it's a pretty wide gap. Maybe a plate holder? I don't know. And it was 99. And here's a little bitty one. It's 49, I believe. Oh. And I got this. I think this is ugly, but I got it because I think I can make it pretty. It's just so cheap plastic rose. I'll do something with it. And I got that. That's my initial. I thought it was pretty. And I want to show you something that gave me an awesome idea. Okay. I got this package for 49 cents. It's got some crystals in it. piece of paper and that. And, you know, I was, for 49 cents, I knew I could do something with that, or in the crystals. Even though I think they're acrylic, but I don't know. Okay, so there's that piece. And then we have 3 strands. I guess they had the tissue around them. I can't tell if they're glass or acrylic, but anyway. Let's see if I can get this unfolded with one hand. This is, we took off. Well, we were gonna go eat anyway, so I'm like, I gotta go by the Goodwill. There's a piece missing to this stuff I got, but I couldn't find it, so I don't know if it wasn't donated or if it was donated separately and part of it sold. But look what it's supposed to make. Okay, there, that piece up there is this piece. Then the chains hook to these 3 hooks, and they run down to this bigger piece. So there's nothing connecting that. That hook's on the wall, and then that hook's on the wall, and then you just drape the chain. You know, and that would have been the same color gold. Oh, I wish that I had it. But the awesome idea is I've got a zillion things kind of like that. Some of them are little and some of them are big. So I can paint them and then get some little piece, paint it to match, get some strands of these, and make my own. I'm like, awesome! That excited me. I think that excited me more than the woman's head. I don't know. It's kind of a tie. But ain't that awesome? I wish I could have got the bottom piece, but I'll go back and look in case they got separated, you know, and they don't get it out for a couple of days. But somebody might have bought that, and you know, this was over there with all the other stuff just in a plastic bag, so they probably didn't know it went to it, because I didn't know what it was. But anyway, that's my goodies. See y'all later.